Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in our solar system, is a world of extremes. With a mass more than 318 times that of Earth and a volume large enough to fit over 1,300 Earths, it dominates its region of space. This gas giant holds many secrets, from its turbulent storms and powerful magnetic field to its intriguing moons that may harbor the conditions for life. Let's take a deep dive into the wonders of Jupiter. The Great Red Spot is Jupiter's most famous feature. It is an enormous swirling storm that has persisted for at least 350 years. It is wider than Earth and currently about 10,159 miles across. Winds inside the storm reach speeds of 268 miles per hour. Recent observations show it is shrinking, and scientists are unsure if it will continue to shrink or disappear completely. The storm is incredibly deep, reaching at least 310 miles into Jupiter's atmosphere. This storm is driven by Jupiter's fast rotation and complex atmospheric dynamics, but exactly why it has lasted for centuries remains a mystery. Jupiter is composed of 90% hydrogen and 10% helium, similar to the Sun. Unlike Earth, it does not have a solid surface, and if you tried to land on Jupiter, you would sink into increasingly dense clouds and gases. The upper atmosphere has colorful bands due to different gases and storm activity. Ammonia and ice clouds give the planet its white, brown, orange, and red hues. Jupiter's atmosphere contains mysterious deep lightning, similar to Earth's but much more powerful. At deeper levels, extreme pressure turns hydrogen gas into liquid metallic hydrogen, which helps generate Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Jupiter's cloud layers are tens of thousands of kilometers thick, and below them the gas compresses under immense pressure, possibly forming a superheated ocean of hydrogen. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest planetary structure in the solar system. If it were visible, it would appear bigger than the full moon from Earth. Its magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It creates intense radiation belts that can be lethal to spacecraft. The massive radiation belt poses challenges for exploration, as it can damage spacecraft electronics over time. The field produces stunning auroras at Jupiter's poles, much brighter and more powerful than Earth's northern and southern lights. This extreme magnetosphere is likely generated by liquid metallic hydrogen deep within the planet. Scientists believe that Jupiter may have a core, but its exact nature remains uncertain. Theories about Jupiter's core. 1. A solid rocky core. Some models suggest Jupiter has a dense, Earth-sized rocky or metallic core. 2. A fizzy core. Data from NASA's Juno spacecraft suggests Jupiter's core material could be mixed with the surrounding metallic hydrogen, making it less defined and more diffuse. 3. No core at all. It is possible Jupiter has no actual core, simply an extremely high pressure center region. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, but 4 stand out: Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, known as the Galilean moons, discovered by Galileo in 1610. These moons are prime targets for future space missions, particularly Europa, where NASA's Europa Clipper will investigate its potential habitability. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes. Its surface is constantly reshaped by lava flows. Europa is believed to have a global subsurface ocean beneath an ice crust. Scientists consider it one of the best places to search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. It has its own magnetic field, which is rare for a moon. Callisto is the most heavily cratered object in the solar system. It may also have a buried ocean, but it's less geologically active than Europa. Jupiter rotates once every 9 hours and 55 minutes, making it the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter is not a perfect sphere bulging at the equator due to centrifugal force. Fast rotation helps drive its jet streams, which create the planet's distinctive cloud bands. This extreme rotation likely contributes to the formation of giant storms like the Great Red Spot. While Saturn is famous for its bright rings, Jupiter also has a faint ring system, discovered by Voyager 1 in 1979. Made of dust, not ice like Saturn's rings, originating and constantly replenished from impacts on small moons, which kick up debris. Almost invisible in normal light, they are only visible with infrared telescopes. Jupiter's deep atmosphere extends farther than expected. The Great Red Spot's roots extend hundreds of kilometers deep. Polar cyclones drive the planet's auroras. The fuzzy core theory gains support due to Juno's gravity measurements. Juno continues to study Jupiter, revolutionizing our understanding of gas giants. In conclusion, Jupiter is a dynamic, ever-changing world filled with mysteries. From its powerful storms and extreme magnetic field to its fascinating moons, this gas giant continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. With ongoing missions like Juno and upcoming ones like Europa Clipper, the secrets of Jupiter will continue to unfold, bringing us closer to understanding our cosmic neighbor. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.